Hey, so if you want to design a clean professional business card without hiring a designer, yeah, this is for you. In this full guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to create a business card in Canva, step by step from scratch. Alright, first, open Canva and head to the search bar. Just type business card and hit enter. You'll instantly see a bunch of ready-made templates pop up. Now pick a template that matches your style or brand. Don't worry too much, you can fully customize it later, so yeah, just choose something close. Once the editor opens, click on any text box to change it. Add your name, business name, phone number, email, whatever details you want on your card. Next, you can customize the fonts and colors to match your brand. Just select the text or background, then use the top toolbar to adjust font style, size, and color. If you have a logo, go ahead and upload it using the Uploads tab. Or you can use Canva's built-in icons and graphics. Just search for what you need. Now this part matters. Make sure everything is aligned and spaced nicely. Use Canva's grid lines and positioning tools to keep things clean and readable. If you want a double-sided card, just add a new page. You can put extra info there, or keep it minimal with just your logo, Once you're done, click Share and then Download. Choose PDF Print for the best quality, especially if you're planning to print your cards. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You've got a professional business card ready to go, all made inside Canva. Super simple, looks great, and you can tweak it anytime. Give it a try, see what you come up with.